So we're going to continue with our work on drawing wood joints in Fusion, and now we're moving on to the lap joint, this one here. So as ever, we're going to make sure we've saved it in a sensible place. So I've got my folder called wood joints. You can make a new folder clicking here. So in we go. I've got a new design. So first of all, let's save that, and let's save that as lap joint. As with the last couple of tutorials, we're going to switch on our origins. We're going to remind ourselves that we could work on any of these planes. We're going to go for this one. We could create a new sketch there, but I'm just going to click R for rectangle, click in here, draw randomly, and then type in the numbers I want. So I want it to be 70, I want that one to be 200, and this one to be 70. And I can just tab between to change those as I wish. Return, and finish sketch. I then want to fit to window, so I can, fit. Then I want to extrude this one, so I'm going to select the panel that I'd like to extrude. I could do it with the extrude or the press ball, but I'm just going to press E, and we're going to do 18, reminding ourselves that timbers come in sizes divisible by 3mm. Okay, so with the lap joint, we need to cut out these reliefs from it here. So as with the last two, the first thing I want to do is make both parts of the lap joint. So I'm going to click here, I'm going to click construct, offset plane, going to come out by 20. Just because it's a good distance for us to see what's going on. On this plane, I'm going to again click R for rectangle, this plane. I'll draw my rectangle on here, making sure that it's 70 by 18. Finish my sketch, again E for extrude, and come out by 150. Oh, that went wrong, but okay, there's a chance to show here. You can come in and edit the feature, make that 150. So to edit the feature, I came selected the thing I wanted to change, right click and edit feature. Okay, so that's now changed, good. So currently the view I've got is I'm just going to switch to my origins, is the IKEA instruction manual view, but I'm going to change that to the shaded view, A for appearance, and just drag across the one that I want, remembering, oh, that one's not downloaded. That one's downloaded, yeah, if you want to download it, you need to click here, get the image, not the text, just bring that across, and also make sure it's on bodies components. So there we are, that's the start for us. So now I want to cut out this bit of material here and here. So I'm going to do a new sketch on the top surface here, and I'm just going to draw myself. So I want to remove, so let's think about what we want to remove. On this one, I want to remove the inner side, the side where they touch, and half the thickness. So where they touch, half the thickness. So I'm going to come from this corner here, and that's going to be 9 by 9. Okay, so now I've got this rectangle drawn there, so I can just select that, E for extrude, pull down, and that's gone. And now I need to remove material here. It's the same again, I can just do new sketch on the top plane here, on the top there, R for rectangle, and 9 by 9. And as simple as that, E for extrude, okay, and I've now got my wood joint there, and we can even model bringing that together with the move copy, and we just need to work out how much to move it. So I've moved it apart 20, and then another 9 that I cut out from it. So if I move that by 29, oh, I've got faces, change that to bodies, top surface, this plane. If I move that by 29, and if my maths is accurate, that should join that up. Exactly, yep. And therefore, there we've got our beautiful joints. And if we step back by 1 on the history tree, you can move that back apart. And if you want the IKEA instruction manual view, there it is. So very simply done, how to draw a lap joint.